Hey there, it's me, Zonya, with a tip for you. Actually, it's a tip from one of my clients. Virtua Health, all across New Jersey, a whole health system, did a community live stream webinar for them. And what they did is they incited them that, hey, if you sign up, you'll get a cookbook, stay to the end, fill out the survey. And of course, everybody did. And then we provide the service of autographing them. They shipped to me stickers. Look at these custom stickers that they had made. And they also made these great postcards for me to insert into each one. And then I custom autographed each one and said with their tagline, Virtua, here for good. That's their tagline, so that's really cool. And we ship these off. We provide that service. And what a great way to reach your community. Or if you want to reach your employees in the same way, in the same love, with a great tool that sits on their kitchen countertop. Some have elected to choose the Lickety Split Meals Cookbook instead. Whichever one works great with the message we're delivering. And I'll tell you, it's just a great way to make your meeting super awesome.